So, I just stumbled upon this music player called Petrichor for macOS, and it's designed for offline use. How cool is that?
Wait, really? An offline music player? That sounds like a blast from the past. What got you interested in it?
Right? I mean, I miss having an offline vibe sometimes. It's like going back to just enjoying the music without apps interrupting.
Exactly. Plus, offline players generally give you more control. What features does it have?
It's got everything you'd expect, like organized library views, playlist management, and you can pin your favorites to the sidebar.
Oh, that's really interesting because it sounds super user-friendly. But what about search capabilities?
It's robust. The search can handle huge libraries, thousands of tracks. I mean, it's powered by SQLite.
Hold on, so it can really sift through all that music? That's impressive for an offline player.
Absolutely. And it integrates perfectly with macOS. All the native controls you'd want are right there. No clunky interfaces.
That's wild. It's like they took the best parts of streaming apps and gave them a classic twist.
Exactly. And here's the kicker. It really relies on good metadata. So if your music files are organized, it shines.
Oh wow, that makes total sense. Good metadata can make or break a music player experience.
For sure. And you know what's coming up next? They're planning smart playlists with user-configurable filters.
Smart playlists, huh? So it can be customized to your mood? That changes everything.
Right? Imagine being able to curate your listening experience like that. It personalizes music.
And let's not forget about AirPlay support. I mean, how often do you see that in offline players?
True, it's adding that element of connectivity while still maintaining the offline strength.
Speaking of which, what's the story behind the development of Petrichor?
Funny you ask. The developer was missing a good offline player after using Swinzian, so they built this as a project.
Wow, a personal need led to this creation. That's such a relatable motivation.
Right? It makes you think, how often do the best tools come from someone scratching their own itch?
Exactly. And it's built entirely with Swift and Swift UI, which is pretty cutting edge for macOS apps.
Yeah, it shows how passionate the dev is about macOS integration. They really thought this through.
So, this sounds like both a labor of love and an impressive technical feat.
Totally. And the fact that it uses GRDB for SQLite database management, that's fancy.
It really is. I mean, database management can make or break app performance, especially for music.
Right? And here I am thinking about all the music I could be organizing because of this.
Oh, I wonder how it handles duplicate tracks, since a lot of us have music scattered everywhere.
Great question. Apparently, it identifies duplicates and helps manage them efficiently.
That's crucial. Duplicate management can be a nightmare for music lovers.
Totally. It's all about creating a fluid experience for users. I love that attention to detail.
And you mentioned the UI? I bet it's slick given the focus on native macOS integration.
Oh yeah, it's clean, intuitive, and they even have dark mode support. Very modern feel.
This is blowing my mind. It's amazing how far offline music players have come.
Right? And now I can't wait to see what features they end up adding next.
I'm sure they'll keep innovating. It's got potential to bridge that gap between offline and online.
Exactly. You know, it really makes you think about the future of music consumption.
Definitely. Imagine if more developers took a similar approach. It could revolutionize personal music libraries.
For sure. So what are you waiting for? Let's think about our next music organization project.
Haha, I'm in. Let's dive into our collections and figure out how to make the most of this.
Awesome. There's nothing like a good mix of nostalgia and modern tech, right?
Exactly. It's like the best of both worlds. Can't wait to start exploring.
Me neither. This is going to be fun and a little bit of a music adventure.
Adventure it is. So listeners, what are you waiting for? Time to organize that music.
Definitely. And let's keep the music alive, one offline player at a time.